How to fix Instagram limit problem. So in today's short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix the limit problem easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every app you have on your phone. Click on Instagram app like this and then click on this option here to stop the app. Click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then go back, click on the data usage here and make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and enable only the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. That's it. Now the last tip you wanna do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.